You pour yourself a drink every morning, but what if that simple cup could do more than just wake you up? What if it could clean your arteries, improve your circulation, and help you avoid the fatigue and weakness that so many people after 60 face every day? Stay with me because I am about to reveal the science behind a drink that could protect your heart and keep you strong. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel for weekly tips on energy, strength, and independence after 60. Don't miss the advice that could change your health. After 60, many seniors notice the same things: tired legs, numb hands, less energy climbing stairs, or even shortness of breath when walking just a few blocks. Often, the hidden reason is plaque buildup in the arteries, a problem that develops slowly, but silently steals your vitality. But here's the exciting news. The right drink, taken daily, can help support blood flow, reduce inflammation, and keep your arteries flexible and strong. Today, we'll uncover why artery health is the secret to staying active after 60, the one drink a day that scientists say can make a powerful difference, and how to include it in your daily routine without changing your life dramatically. Your arteries are like the highways of your body. They carry oxygen, nutrients, and energy to every cell. But with age, many things work against you. Cholesterol buildup, inflammation, high blood pressure, poor diet choices. Over time, the walls of your arteries become stiff and narrow. That's why you might feel tingling in your hands, cold feet, or even dizziness when standing up. It's not just getting older, it's your body telling you that circulation is struggling. The dangerous part: this happens silently. You may not notice until it's too late. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Research shows that certain natural drinks can help reduce arterial stiffness, lower inflammation, and even dissolve small amounts of plaque buildup. And the best part: you don't need expensive pills or complicated recipes. You just need 1 cup a day. So what's this secret? Let's break it down. The drink I'm talking about is pomegranate juice. Yes, something so simple, so delicious, and so powerful. Here's why. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranate contains clogged compounds that protect your artery walls from damage, improves blood flow. Studies show pomegranate juice helps widen blood vessels, improving circulation, reduces blood pressure. Drinking it daily can help lower hypertension, a major risk factor for artery damage. Fights inflammation. The antioxidants help calm down inflammation, which is at the root of artery stiffening. In one study, people who drank a cup of pomegranate juice daily showed 30% improvement in blood flow within weeks. Imagine what that could do for your legs, your heart, and your brain. How it works while you sleep. Here's the magic. When you drink pomegranate juice, its nutrients stay active in your body for hours. That means even while you rest, your arteries are being nourished and protected. Over time, this helps prevent blockages and supports steady energy. It's not about quick fixes. It's about building a daily habit that gives your body the protection it needs. Other healthy drink options. Now, maybe you don't like pomegranate juice, or you can't find it easily. Don't worry, you still have options. Here are other drinks shown to help artery health after 60. Green tea, packed with catechins, it helps improve blood vessel flexibility. Beet juice, rich in nitrates, which relax and widen blood vessels. Lemon water helps balance blood pressure and provides vitamin C for your arteries. Turmeric tea contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory for your heart. Black seed oil in warm water, known as one of the best natural anti-inflammatories in the world. But if you want one drink backed by strong studies, pomegranate juice still leads the way. How to use it daily. The best part is how simple it is to add this to your life. Drink 1 small glass 4 to 6 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily. Choose unsweetened 100% juice to avoid added sugars. Have it with breakfast or even as a refreshing drink in the afternoon. If you're on medication for blood pressure or cholesterol, check with your doctor first, but in most cases, it's perfectly safe and beneficial. What you can expect. Imagine this. After a few weeks of daily use, you notice less fatigue in your legs when walking. After a month, you may feel steadier climbing stairs, more energized in the morning, and even sharper mentally. And after several months, your arteries are working better, helping you avoid the silent risks that so many people face after 60. It's not about turning back time, it's about giving your body what it needs to thrive today. Inspiration and motivation. Think about it. You've lived decades building your independence. You've worked hard for your family, your home, and your future. Now, It's time to protect yourself so you can enjoy the years ahead without fear, without weakness, without fatigue. One small cup a day could be the key to walking farther, thinking clearer, and living longer. Your body is still listening. Give it the right message. So tonight, as you think about tomorrow's routine, ask yourself, am I just drinking for habit or for health? With one simple choice, you can start protecting your arteries, fueling your energy, and staying independent after 60. If you're ready to take charge of your health, leave a comment. I'm adding strength to my cup starting tomorrow. And don't forget, subscribe now for weekly tips on energy and health for seniors. In our next video, we'll reveal the 7 hidden signs of kidney trouble after 60 that most people ignore. You won't want to miss it, because your best years can still be ahead, one cup at a time. Until next video.